I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox joystick bigger. First, launch Roblox and enter any game. Once inside, locate and tap the gear icon, usually found in the top left or right corner of your screen, to open the in-game settings menu. From there, navigate through the options to find the section dedicated to controls or virtual joystick settings. This is where we will begin our adjustments. Once you are in the joystick settings, you will typically find a slider or a numerical input field. Simply drag the slider to the right or increase the number to make your virtual joystick larger. You should see the changes reflected instantly on your screen. Experiment to find a size that feels just right, offering better control without taking up too much screen space. After making an initial adjustment, it is crucial to test your new joystick size in an actual game. Play for a few minutes, paying close attention to how your character moves and responds. If it feels too big or still too small, simply return to the settings menu and make further adjustments. The goal is to achieve optimal comfort and precision for your gameplay. Making your Roblox joystick bigger can significantly enhance your gameplay by offering greater precision and reducing accidental inputs, especially on smaller screens. Don't be afraid to experiment with several different sizes until you discover what works best for your unique playstyle. Keep in mind that these settings are usually saved on a per-device basis, so you might need to adjust them if you switch devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.